Number 1. 1977 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FXE, $7,500, Sandown, New Hampshire. The 1977 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FXE represents one of the most recognizable eras in Harley-Davidson history. Powered by the legendary Shovelhead V-twin, these motorcycles remain highly sought after for their classic styling, unmistakable sound, and strong connection to American motorcycling culture. This garage-kept example is reported to be in good cosmetic condition and comes with a title. The seller notes that it has been sitting for several years and will need a battery, fresh fluids, and a tune-up before returning to the road. For enthusiasts seeking a genuine shovelhead project with solid potential, this FXE could be a rewarding find. Number 2. 1980 BMW R65, $3,500, Richmond, Virginia. The 1980 BMW R65 delivers the dependable boxer twin performance that helped BMW build its reputation among touring and sport touring riders. Smaller and lighter than many other BMW models of the era, the R65 offers a comfortable and enjoyable riding experience while retaining classic German engineering. This motorcycle was reportedly owned by a BMW mechanic and recently serviced. The seller states that it runs perfectly and includes period BMW hardshell saddlebacks along with 2 helmets. For buyers looking for a well-maintained vintage BMW, this R65 appears ready for many more miles of riding. Number 3. 1977 Yamaha XS650, $2,600, Westchester, Pennsylvania. The Yamaha XS650 remains one of the most respected Japanese twins ever produced. Combining classic styling with reliable performance, the XS650 continues to attract riders, restorers, and collectors more than 4 decades after its introduction. This numbers-matching example was rebuilt from the frame up in 2011 and has accumulated approximately 8,800 miles since completion. Features include a powder-coated frame, PAMCO electronic ignition, Mikuni VM34 carburetors, and a rare OEM Yamaha rear rack. With a clear title and spare parts included, it offers strong value for vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. Number 4. 1971 Triumph Tiger 650, $3,900, Beaver Springs, Pennsylvania. The 1971 Triumph Tiger 650 showcases the classic British twin-cylinder formula that made Triumph famous around the world. Known for its responsive performance and timeless styling, the Tiger remains a favorite among enthusiasts who appreciate vintage British motorcycles. According to the seller, this motorcycle runs well, and everything functions as it should. Updates include electronic ignition, new tires, and new tubes, while the good title is in the seller's name. For riders seeking a usable and attractive classic Triumph, this Tiger appears to be a solid example. Number 5. 1977 Honda CB550K4, $2,995, Lynbrook, New York. The 1977 Honda CB550K4 is a classic middleweight motorcycle that helped establish Honda's reputation for smooth performance and reliability. Its 4-cylinder engine, comfortable ergonomics, and timeless styling continue to make it a popular choice among vintage Japanese motorcycle fans. This CB550K is registered, inspected, and has received numerous recent maintenance items, including new tires, brakes, spark plugs, chain, oil, and filter. With low mileage for its age and very little rust reported, it appears to be a well-kept classic that is ready to enjoy. Number 6. 1979 Harley-Davidson Electra-Glide FLH Shovelhead, $7,900, Charlotte, North Carolina. The 1979 Harley-Davidson Electra-Glide FLH represents the golden age of American touring motorcycles. Powered by the legendary Shovelhead V-twin, these machines are admired for their distinctive styling, long-distance comfort, and enduring place in Harley-Davidson history. This matching numbers example retains its original paint and is reported to run and ride great. Features include an S&S Super E carburetor, fishtail exhaust pipes, tour pack trunk, hard saddlebags, a new battery, and a brand new windshield. With 41,000 miles and plenty of original character, this FLH is an appealing choice for both collectors and riders. Number 7. 1978 Suzuki GS550, $1,250, Indianapolis, Indiana. The 1978 Suzuki GS550 helped establish Suzuki's reputation for building reliable and enjoyable four-cylinder motorcycles. Known for their durability and straightforward maintenance, GS models remain popular among riders looking for affordable vintage Japanese classics. This example is described as an easy-starting motorcycle that has been thoroughly inspected during restoration. Notable features include kickstart capability, anti-theft helmet storage, and a front wheel lock. With a new battery already installed and only tires needing attention, this GS550 offers a budget-friendly entry into classic motorcycle ownership. Number 8. 1976 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FXE, $4,800, Cincinnati, Ohio. The 1976 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FXE delivers the unmistakable sound and character that continue to make Shovelhead models favorites among Harley enthusiasts. Combining classic styling with a strong aftermarket following, these motorcycles remain icons of vintage American motorcycling. This matching numbers example features both kick and electric start and is said to fire up easily. Equipped with an S&S carburetor, drag pipes, covered shocks, and a polished rear wheel, it offers plenty of old-school appeal. While the seller notes a minor issue in third gear under heavy throttle, the bike is reportedly still ridden regularly and comes with a clean title. Number 9. 1982 Yamaha XV750 Virago, $2,500, Milford, New Hampshire. The Yamaha XV750 Virago was one of the pioneering Japanese V-twin cruisers and helped shape the cruiser market during the early 1980s. Its comfortable riding position and distinctive styling continue to attract riders looking for an affordable vintage motorcycle. This registered example currently wears tall Z-bars that give it a custom bobber-inspired look. The seller notes that alternative handlebars can easily be fitted for a different style. With both registration and a clean Massachusetts title available, it presents an interesting and versatile vintage cruiser. Number 10. 1970 Triumph Daytona, $5,000, Jeffersonville, Indiana. The 1970 Triumph Daytona is a classic British motorcycle known for its lightweight handling, responsive performance, and timeless styling. Models like the Daytona helped strengthen Triumph's reputation among riders seeking a sporty and enjoyable riding experience. Showing approximately 12,000 miles, this example comes with a clean title and appears to have been well cared for over the years. The seller notes that it simply needs a new set of tires before regular use. For enthusiasts looking for a vintage Triumph with strong collector appeal, this Daytona offers a solid opportunity. Number 11. 1970 Suzuki TS250, $1,500, Northford, Connecticut. The 1970 Suzuki TS250 is a classic dual-sport motorcycle that helped introduce many riders to both on-road and off-road adventures. Lightweight, durable, and simple to maintain, the TS250 remains a favorite among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. This example has been stored for several years, but is reported to have good spark, compression, and a freely turning engine. The fuel tank is clean inside, and the seller believes it would not take much work to get the bike running again. For buyers seeking an affordable vintage Suzuki project, this TS250 offers solid potential. Number 12. 1978 Triumph Bonneville 750, $7,750, Sag Harbor, New York. The 1978 Triumph Bonneville 750 represents one of the final chapters of the legendary British twin that helped define motorcycling for decades. With its timeless styling and strong performance, the Bonneville remains one of the most collectible Triumph models ever produced. This matching numbers motorcycle shows only 6,500 original miles and features upgrades including Morris Mag wheels, dual Mikuni carburetors, a Corbin leather seat, and a Boyer ignition system. Presented in black and chrome, it appears to be a well-preserved example, ready for its next caretaker. Number 13. 1969 Triumph T100R Daytona, $2,650, Sunapee, New Hampshire. The 1969 Triumph T100R Daytona is a lightweight British twin known for its sporty character and classic styling. These motorcycles continue to attract enthusiasts who appreciate vintage Triumph performance and the strong customization potential of the platform. This matching numbers bike is offered in original barn find condition and would make an excellent restoration project. Highlights include a Seriani front end, Borani rim, attractive teal and silver fuel tank, and an engine that turns over with good compression. It presents a promising opportunity for a restorer or vintage motorcycle enthusiast. Number 14. 1988 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail, $6,500, Selkirk, New York. The 1988 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail combines classic Harley styling with the proven Evolution engine that helped define a new era for the company. Known for comfort, reliability, and timeless looks, Heritage Softails remain popular among riders and collectors alike. This example has received extensive recent work, including a rebuilt top end, rebuilt S&S Super E carburetor, new tires, brakes, fork components, clutch parts, and numerous other service items. The seller reports that the motorcycle runs very strong, making it an attractive vintage Harley that is ready to be enjoyed. Number 15. 1977 Yamaha XS, $750, Perry, Michigan. The Yamaha XS series remains one of the most respected platforms in the vintage motorcycle world. Known for its durable twin-cylinder engine and strong aftermarket support, the XS has become a favorite for restorations, cafe racers, and custom builds. This project motorcycle is being offered with several valuable extras, including spare wheels, front forks, and a second engine for parts. While the seller originally planned a cafe racer build, the project was never completed. At just $750, it offers an affordable starting point for someone looking to build or restore a classic Yamaha. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. We hope you enjoyed this collection of classic motorcycles from across America. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more vintage motorcycle finds every day. We'll see you in the next ride.